Hey everyone, good afternoon. I went to Five Below today and I decided to get a diamond painting storage case because I know these were very popular for the diamond art community and stuff. So I heard lots of good things about it. And the Epic diamond painting storage case, and it comes with different stencils, and you can store your storage beads in one of these containers right here. And so I'm not gonna probably get any cut. There we go. There we go. I was trying to open it up. Oh, there we go. Come on. Okay, there you go. Alright, there we go. We got it. I mean, it comes with these, it comes with penny net pocking, which is this right here. And then the 3 thorn trays. Different kinds. And then let's see. And then the vinyl stone tools. Comes with these right here. And then the 30 storage jars. 30 of these. So this, all this right here comes in this thing right here, and this is, I'm not sure what this is. Do y'all know what this is right here, y'all? Looks like, I'm not sure what this is. I've never seen anything like this before. Maybe something for the beads to put it in a tray or something. And then it's got stickers to put on the little containers right here. It's got stickers you can put on them. And so it got this, and it comes with that. And little envelopes, little bags you can put your beads in and stuff. So I just want to show y'all this, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. And make sure y'all stay tuned for tonight at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be live tonight doing my diamond art. And so I really like this, and I only had to pay $5 for this, for the whole set. And if y'all have any Dynamites, this would be very popular to use and stuff. And so, if you are new, make sure I hit the like, comment, subscribe, and share it out. And let me know what y'all think of this. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. God's grace, be blessed. Jesus loves y'all. Jesus is a miracle worker. And I'll see y'all tonight. Take care, everyone. See y'all later. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching.